Boyz. Back for Messi, off his chest. Messi! He just continues to impress. A goal in both legs.
So Lionel Messi apparently is set to miss the game, or the first CONCACAF Champions Cup game, or the first leg versus Cavalier. This is quite an interesting one. A big opportunity here for Cavalier. Alright, so welcome back people to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. So reports, the latest reports coming out now. Jose Armando Rodriguez, reporter from MLS, a person who keep really close to the MLS and the clubs, whatever is happening in the USA. Very credible as well. Now, reported that Messi is set to miss this game this evening versus Cavalier. We're going to get into that, so before we do that, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's get straight into the article. Lionel Messi will miss his second consecutive match and will not be present in the first leg of the round of 16 of the CONCACAF Champions Cup. Lionel Messi's absence from the weekend's match against Houston Dynamo will not be the only one of the season for the Argentina star. Sources have confirmed to Deporte Total USA that Messi will not even be among the substitutes tonight against the Jamaica Cavalier team. Representative of the Caribbean team, current champions of the Caribbean Cup, described the match as most important in its history. The reason for Lionel Messi's absence is due to Javier Mascherano's statement on Wednesday morning, in which he claims that he is at risk of injury due to muscle strain. Until last weekend's absence, Messi has played against 8 games at the start of 2025, including 5 matches for the Tour of the Americas. This week, Messi was called up by Lionel Scaloni for the FIFA match day in March, when Argentina will face Uruguay and Brazil. Messi's next chances will be on Sunday, March 9th, when Inter Miami hosts Charlotte FC for the MLS tournament. Now, we can look at this 2 ways. One, maybe Cavalier prepare to play against Messi. So a lot of the planning went in favor of Messi starting. So maybe this could probably change up the plans a little bit and make things a little bit probably more complex for this evening's game. And also, this could also mean that if you guys have been keeping update with the MLS, despite the win over the weekend versus Houston Dynamo, the absence of Lionel Messi from the Inter Miami squad is huge. Basically, if they're at 100%, the absence of Lionel Messi carried them to 30%. So, probably to 50. To 50, yeah. So this could be, unfortunately, fortunately, it's not injured. This seems to be just a precautionary measure. But unfortunately, we won't be able to see Messi versus Cavalier. Now, fortunately for Cavalier, this could also mean an opportunity for them to not worry about Lionel Messi. Because despite what you might think or might feel, he is a character. He is one of, if not arguable, the best player to ever grace football. But at the end of the day, this is a huge development, I have to say. So, tell me what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Is this an opportunity for Cavalier, or is this maybe just unfortunate because they plan to play him while play against him in regards to what he's going to do on the field? And that probably might change up the game plan a little bit. But from my perspective, I think it's more so the positive that they will be playing an Inter Miami team without Lionel Messi. So, tell me what you think, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Now, see you guys again. Join the watch along later, people. Watch along later. Big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Now, I mean, outside.